Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Saima Parveen. Today we will learn about the basic concepts and terminology of chemistry. In our previous class, we had discussed about matter. So do you ever have a thought that from what matter is made of? Yes. There is something called the basic unit of matter. It looks like this structure. So now the question arises, what is atom? What are atoms made of? So here you can see that there are some different colored balls and which are surrounded by a covering known as nucleus. Inside the nucleus there are protons and neutrons, whereas outside the nucleus there is a region known as orbit in which electrons are revolving. So what are electrons, protons and neutrons? Electrons, protons and neutrons are the fundamental particles of atom. Proton carries positive charge, electron carries negative charge. Therefore, you can see that in the nucleus there is only positive particle. Therefore, nucleus appears positively charged. Now, after having knowledge about the matter and the basic unit of matter, we can classify matter on the basis of its composition and properties. So, does it have constant properties and composition? If yes, it can be classified as pure substance. If no, then it is classified as mixture. Pure substance can be further classified on the basis of their chemical composition. That can it be simplified chemically? If yes, it is known as compound, and if no, it is known as element. Whereas if we classify mixture on the basis of its phases, that is it uniform throughout, that means is it contain only one phase, then it is known as homogeneous mixture. But if not, if it contains more than one phases, then it is known as heterogeneous mixture. Here we are going to discuss these terminologies in some detail. Element. As you know that element is a pure substance which cannot be broken down into simpler substances. It contains of 6.02 into 10 as power 23 particles. Here you can see that there are individual atoms like sodium, sulfur, phosphorus, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, fluorine, and hydrogen. Whereas, what is compound? Compound is the combination of more than one type of element. So here you can see that there are almost two type of elements combined chemically. So the two types of element combined, two or more types of elements combined chemically are known as compound, like H2O water and HCl hydrochloric acid. There are more than one type of element, combination of one and more than one type of element. So moving towards homogeneous mixture. So before moving towards the homogeneous mixture, we should know about the mixture. As you know that mixture can be separable physically, like you can say that if you have a solution of salt and water, you can separate it by heating. So anything which can be separable into different things, into its constituents, it is known as mixture. So what is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture is a mixture which contains only one phase, like puri, coffee, milkshake, chocolate, cold tomato soup, and orange juice. These are the homogeneous mixture. Whereas in heterogeneous mixture, there are more than one phase. like milk and cereal, fruit salad, milk and cereal, and chickpeas. So here you can say that there are more than one things you can see in any mixture. So this is known as heterogeneous mixture. This was the terminology about the chemistry, and in next class we will study some more detail about chemistry. Thank you.